Here's another marketing task. Join Oversee It to help people who hire contractors to work on their house. Oversee those contractors, and it looks a little bit like this. So if your client is replacing a roof or having a new home built or remodeling a bathroom or adding a deck, they can hire you to oversee by documenting, taking pictures and videos, especially if they're working or they're absentee and they live in a different state or something and they're having something done. You can be their trusted third-party neutral observer who can document everything that's going on. You may even want to do a selfie live video of the area or whatever is going on and provide that service. That is another ancillary service that InterNACHI provides. It's a training certification program. You get a nice logo, you log into the program, and we help find those potential clients for you and direct them to your membership profile. And you got to have that website URL right there. And then when a potential client visits your website, make sure you have this service available for them so that they can schedule online through your website to have you oversee a project.